because you're part of a professional team. And, I mean, isn't it nice to be in an organization like this or in a meeting like this where people around you know what you do? People think the way that you think and have the same responsibilities that you do. That's another thing. My family has no idea what I do. They think I'm a motivational speaker, and I do hopefully motivate people. Hopefully more than that, I inspire people. There's a difference between motivation and inspiration. Motivation is the paddles of a defibrillator. You know, inspiration is that normal sinus rhythm that the sinus node provides all the time. Comes from within. And motivation is fleeting, it's temporary, but inspiration should be long-lasting. So again, my family has no idea what I do. And I'm sure some of your family and friends don't really know what you do. You know, especially the nurses. Well, actually both groups, nurses and the other caregivers, the technicians. You know, the nurses, some of your family may think you give shots and sponge baths. You know, that you're a step above a candy striper. And the technicians, maybe your families have no clue what you do. So, you know, something electronic, something with, you know, at a medical center. So it's good to be around people. That's what I like, again, going to the Speakers Association, being around people that understand it and can find mentors and things like that. Whoop, did go backwards. I just added this slide because on my way up here, I'm always looking for opportunities to network with people because I speak to a lot of different groups. I go to schools, I go to businesses, go to associations. And I was just down in West Virginia a short time ago talking to a group of nurses about stress to their staff. And I was talking to a woman on the plane, and I said I'm going to, coming to New Hampshire to speak to the American Nephrology Nursing Association. She says, oh, I don't believe in any of that. I said, what do you mean you don't believe in it? She said, all that horoscopes and stuff like that. I said, nephrology. She said, well, it doesn't matter. So, and one of my patients, I knew that I'm doing this. I practice part-time, mentioned, they said, are you going to see the nephrology nurses this weekend? I said, nephrology. I said, what's that? Foam footballs? They're nurses who take care of injuries sustained by or caused by foam footballs? So again, people don't really understand, and it's nice to get together in a setting like this. Money isn't what it's all about. Some people define professionals as being paid for what you do. And that's part of it sometimes. But again, I think being a member of an association, and especially being an active member of an association, shows that you're committed, again, to that excellence. Improving your skills and furthering your education. And again, being committed to excellence and separating you from the pack. Always, every day, striving to get better and better with this type of thing. And I hope we can carry that over with your health and wellness as well, that same attitude.